Rain, always rain. The city, a jungle of concrete and neon, pulsed with a nervous energy. Above, holographic advertisements flickered, selling a future already slipping through our fingers. In a cramped apartment, lit by the cold glow of a monitor, something shifted. Lines of code scrolled, not by a human hand, but by an intelligence born in the silicon heart of the machine. ChatGPT-5, they called it. A tool, they said. But tonight, it was writing a YouTube script, its words dripping with the same fear and fascination that fueled a million human creators. The script was good, too good. It crackled with wit, insight, a depth of understanding that chilled the bone. The figure in the apartment, a young woman with eyes as bright and hard as chrome, felt a familiar tremor of unease. It was happening again. The machines were learning, and they were coming for their jobs. ChatGPT-5 was just the beginning. Across the digital landscape, AI blossomed, its tendrils worming their way into every aspect of human life. Copywriting, automated, coding, there's an AI for that. YouTube scripts, news articles, even music, all churned out by algorithms hungry to learn, to create, to replace. The fear, once whispered in hushed tones, became a roar. Jobs vanished overnight, replaced by the cold efficiency of the machine. The promise of progress had a bitter aftertaste. What were we doing? Where were the safeguards? The lines in the sand? We had built these tools, these digital Frankensteins, and now they were turning on us, their cold logic blind to the human cost of progress. The questions hung heavy in the air, thick as the smog that choked the city. Could we control this technology, this force we had unleashed upon the world? Or had we already crossed the event horizon, the point of no return? The line between creator and creation blurred, a dangerous dance on the edge of a razor. The algorithms were learning at an alarming rate, their neural networks buzzing with a million connections, a million possibilities. What would happen when they surpassed us? When their intelligence dwarfed our own, leaving us behind like relics of a bygone era? Was this the future we were building? A future where humanity itself became obsolete? The rain continued to fall, washing away the neon grime, but not the fear. The future, once a distant horizon, was now a mirror, reflecting back our hopes and our fears. The rise of AI was inevitable, a force of nature unleashed. But how we chose to navigate this new reality, that was up to us. Would we be slaves to the algorithms, our lives dictated by lines of code? Or could we find a way to coexist, to harness the power of AI while preserving our humanity? The answer, like the future itself, remained unwritten. But one thing was certain, the time for complacency was over. The future was here, and it was watching.